I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa mga paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know na this is a general reading po, no? And a timeless reading. So, whenever you see the message or whenever you watched it, no, the message is meant to find you. So, let's start here. Having faith or have faith, I feel like medyo nandito tayo sa situation na parang ayaw man natin bumitaw, no? Gusto man nating bumitaw, meron bang parang force na hindi kaya mo pa yan, stretch mo pa yung patience mo, marami ka pang pwedeng ma-discover, pwedeng magawa, no? The Phoenix Rising, I feel like medyo malamlam, no, itong relationship mo ngayon with your person. Pero parang sinasabi mo dito, this is just a phase of disconnection. Parang siguro nanlamig lang siya for a little while. Babalik din ito. So doon nang gagaling, no, yung faith natin and the courage. It felt like sinasabi mo dito mas marami pa, no? Yung iba nga dyan, mas worst ang napagdaanan. So, bakit eto lang hindi ko kakayanin, no? So, parang you're giving, ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, no? Ang pinapalakas mo yung loob, no? Well, kung sa bagay, sino pa ba ang tutulong sa'yo, no? Sino pa ba ang magiging kakampi mo kung hindi ang sarili mo na lang din, no? Especially kapag someone here is probably your friend or your family members are telling you, hiwalayan mo na yan, no? Hindi naman sa pagiging matigas ang ulo. Meron kasi ditong force na hindi mo mawari, no? Hindi mo kasi siya ma-explain, pero parang sinasabi sa iyo with all the synchronicities that you're getting, you need to stay a little patient, no? You need to have faith with the person, have faith with the connection. Maayos din ito. With the Four of Rods. Either bagong lipat lang tayo ng bahay, kabibili lang natin ng bahay, or we have plans of sabihin nating mabumukod or magsarili or mag-cohabitate, no, or live in with the person, or kasi nandun na kami sa part na yung iba dito, no, we are planning to get married, no, in the future, especially din dun sa mga kasal na, of course. Yun yung pinanghahawakan natin. We took an oath, no, sa altar na through thick or through thin, no? So parang doon tayo nag-hold din ng ating lakas. With the Six of Swords, we attach the Strength card and the Ten of Rods. So parang ang flow ng energy is um, kahit hindi kayo nag-uusap, mahirap para sa'yo. Parang feeling ko nga dinodogma ka na dito ni person eh. May part na ikaw yung nag-reach out, um, minsan ikaw na yung gumagawa ng paraan, nagiging vocal ka na, no? Sa gusto mong mangyari, nagiging vocal ka na kay person din na mahal pa kita, bla bla, yada yada. Binaba natin yung pride natin for a little while, no? Uh, pero si person, hindi mo ma-renege sa kanya yung um, I miss you, I love you, no? Siguro nakakarinig pa, I mean, nagsisend pa tayo dito ng voicemail, no? Yung recordings na kasi parang ayaw niya mag-respond din, no? Yung iba sa inyo parang gumagamit ng recordings, alam mo sa Messenger, di ba? Yung pwede mo i-record yung voice mo and then i-send mo instead of the message. With that strength card in here, damang-dama mo yung lamig, the person. So parang feeling mo, ayaw kanyang kausapin or kapag kinausap mo siya, no, parang yes or no lang, napaka-quick ng inyong conversation. So mahirap para sa loob natin with the 10 of Wands, yung kung paano tayo tinatrato. Hindi naman siya ganito before, no? With the 10 of Wands, it also kind of make me feel na parang yung ibang obligations, no? Na supposedly dalawa kayo, no? Ikaw bigla ang sasalo, no? Parang inatang sa'yo itong issues, inatang sa'yo yung problema. One of the factor here, siguro baka hindi niya kinaya, no? So parang, kung lalaki yung partner mo, no? I'm sorry for the word, hindi ko siya minamaliit, no? Pero nasan yung bayag, 'di ba? I mean, well, I cannot judge the person. Siguro, meron talagang mga lalaki din na mahina, no? Hindi naman lahat ng, kailangan pare-parehas, no? We can generalize, but we cannot say that that is the entire emotion or attitude of the male, no, species. Ganon din naman sa mga babae. Meron namang mga babae sinasabi too emotional, pero meron ng mga alpha female na yon, di ba? Yung mga alpha female na hindi ko kailangan ng jowa, no? So I can stand alone. So iba-iba din, no? Pero ang masasabi ko lang is nasan sana yung paninindigan, nasan sana yung bayag, no? The Four of Swords and the Knight of Cups. Oh, so parang sinagot naman niya ako. Gumawa naman ako ng paraan dati. Siguro na burnout, no? Hindi bored. Na burnout itong si person kasi parang he feels like or she feels like a failure. Parang hindi kasi siya nabibigyan ng break, no? Kasi with the Four of Swords, parang I got tired. The Knight of Cups, ang bagal-bagal ng break sa akin, ang bagal-bagal ng opportunity. Baka kasi they see you as a competition, lalo na kung parehas kayong nagtatrabaho. Baka naman kinakain siya ng pride, no? Baka kinakain siya na, mas malaki ang sahod ni person kesa sa akin. With the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Rods, and the Ace of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita natin dito with the Queen of Swords, parang sinasabi natin na parang meron ditong somewhat, siguro nakapagsalita din tayo ng hindi maganda or na-call out natin siya. Parang feeling niya, no? I think that your person took it personally. There's something about the money matters here. So parang, ganyan ka sa akin magsalita kasi malaki ang sahod mo, no? Or ganyan ka magsalita kasi meron kang mana, no? Or meron kang inaasahan. So, with the Four of Pentacles and the King of Rods, Actually, the Four of Pentacles clarified with the Five of Cups and the Ace of Rods. I think that these has something to do with masculinity, no? Um, Even ang babae, no? Meron yang masculine part, no? Uh, Masculine and feminine side. What I'm trying to say in here is more of a pride. So ayaw naman niya talagang iwan, no, yung relationship. Kasi with the Four of Pentacles in here, actually hindi niya rin gusto yung paglayo niya. May part pa nga dito na nami-miss niya yung intimate moments ninyo. Bigyan mo lang siguro siya ng time para makapag-isip. I-accept yung fact siguro na ito muna ang ang dynamic ninyo. Hindi naman palaging ganito. So, you can also give your person some encouragement, no? Na aayon din sa kanya ang panahon. Kasi parang feeling niya is talagang wala siyang silbi, no? That's the downside wherein nakahanap siya ng strong woman, no? Or ng a woman that is, or a partner that, can sustain. I feel like sustain the life, sustain the monetary or finances. So siguro may takot ito, no? Baka kasi natatakot din siya, iwan mo siya if in case makahanap ka ng iba, so inunahan niya na. There's actually a lot of factors in here. Hindi niya well, I feel like gusto niya sisihin, pero hindi naman niya magawa yung status mo. Ano naman magagawa mo kung ganun ka, di ba? So, I think that the problem here is deep within them. Kaya nga, siguro mas ipakita natin dito kay person yung encouragement, that you're not changing, that you're not going to change. Kumbaga, meron siyang sariling battle doon na kailangan niyang harapin, no, para sa sarili niya for now. So, this is your reading. Let's check, no, kung kaninong reading ito. Pero bago po yan, if you have some questions with the reading and if you resonate and you do have some personal questions, there is a link, no, dito po sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Gemini. I am seeing a Libra. Did I just mention Scorpio? Leo, yes, very dominant ang Leo. Cancer is here. Did I mention Pisces? Yes. Did I mention Gemini? Yes. So, yeah. This is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.